Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add an end screen credit effect on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut PC, and then from here what we're going to do is we're going to add an end screen. So this is my example right here, my sample text. So from here, this is it. Right here, I'm just going to cut this because it's not letting anymore right there. So let's say you have this right here. So what you want to do to make this just like this one, it would go like that. And yeah, so we're going to go start here and make sure to place this this head right here, this marker right here at the beginning of your clip. Once it's done, you want to go hide it here first, right here. Make sure it's in the middle right there. And I'm going to go and keyframe the position right here. So I'm going to go click on the text and find the position option right here, top right here, and here it is, position option, and I'm gonna keyframe it right here, and then I'm gonna drag this to the end right here, and I'm gonna go and make sure that it would end just like this, straight right there. I'm gonna go, it would end right here and just like that. And now when I play this, it will be like this right here. As you can see, it's very fast. But since it's fast, then you would want to increase the duration of the clip and then move the keyframe again to the duration of the clip, the end right there. And now it's slower. And as you can see, it's now like that. And when you play it, it's gonna look like this. So if you want it to even more slower, and then you can extend it once more. And now it's like that right here. Let's go and play it. And as you can see, it's like this. And if you want to add more, then you can just simply go and do it like this right here. Make sure it's the same length so that it would be the same speed right here. So don't move the length right there, right here. And now from here, what we're going to do is, as you can see right here, this is the first one, and this is the one that would continue it. So I'm just going to go and put it here, right here, because this one is going to start right here, right? So I want this to be this much space between them. So when I put it right here, it's going to be looking like this, and it's going to go for the second one right here. And as you can see, that is basically how easy it is. If you have more to add into your cast or whatever end screen you'd like, thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.